Right, the big graph question. Let's start with the minimum point. The minimum point is where the curve bottoms out, so that's here. And that's clearly when x is 1 and y is minus 5. If you're trying to find out where the graph x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0, then you look at your graph, which is x squared minus 2x minus 4. Where does that equal 0? Well, it equals 0 here and here. If I wanted to work out where it equaled 10, that would be up here, but we were interested in 0, which is quite a common question. And the x values there are minus 1.2 and 3.2. It's this one and this one. Now, the next part is where it starts to get tricky. For the estimates of the solution of the equation, you first of all write down your graph underneath, and then equals, and this is the bit you need to work out. Now, to get from our graph to this one, what have you done? Well, to get from minus 3x to minus 2x, you've added an x. And to get from minus 6 to minus 4, you've added 2. So we need to now go back to our graph and draw the line y equals x plus 2 on the graph. Well, y equals x plus 2 goes through 2 and has a gradient of 1. So it's going to look like... sorry, this is difficult to see what's going on. It's going to look like that, so let's draw a line through like so. That may not be a perfect line, but you get the idea. That's y equals x plus 2. And so the solutions to that equation will be the ones where these two lines meet. So that'll be here. Let me write that in red again. And pretty close to the other one here. So we're looking at values of x of around sort of 4.4, and it's not going to be 1.2, is it? I've obviously drawn the line wrong. It's about minus 1.6, something like that. The point being, it's crucial that you draw the correct line. So that's the hardest part of that question. When you're differentiating, sorry, getting a bit of the old question back there. Dy by dx, right, x squared goes to 2x because the power goes to the front and the power goes down by 1. And minus 2x goes to minus 2. So that's the differential. If you want the gradient where x equals 6, where you've just given me the gradient expression, so you just, dy by dx tells you what the gradient is at any given point in terms of x. So if x is 6, it's going to be 2 lots of 6, minus 2, and the answer is 10.